for whatever reason, you need to change your Instagram username. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Take action now. Hi, my name is Desiree. If you're looking to grow your business with better social media and content marketing, take action now. Hit that subscribe button and the bell below. Now, whatever you're trying to do with changing your name or doing whatever these things are, it's important to have a strategy so you know how to execute on whatever changes you are making with your social media. That's why you want to grab my free content planning worksheet that I have for you down in the description below. All right, we're going to head over to the phone where I'm going to show you how to do this because you have to do it from your phone. All right, when you open up the Instagram app, you're going to hit the profile button in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you're going to see on your account, you're going to hit edit profile. And right in here where it says username, which is the second one down, you're going to have the option to change your username to whatever it is. If you have this check mark here, it will show up as available. If you're trying to change to something that already exists, it's going to tell you right here that it's not available. Then once you have it where you want it to be, you just hit the check mark in the corner and it will update your profile. And then to confirm that it is corrected, you can go to your profile and see it in the top left-hand corner with your name. Have you ever wondered what it's like to grow an Instagram account starting from zero? Well, watch this video I have right here where I'm going to break down for you everything you need to know so that you can do this in the modern era. And watch this video here because YouTube thinks you are really going to like it. And until next time, I'll see you soon.